Blessed day everyone. So for this video series, you will see how I created this very simple, cute and neat crochet top. So for this particular video, what you're gonna see is the pattern and how I created this top, and also what are the things that I'll be changing this top on this top, because I have already worn it and I do think that there are changes that I wanna do for this top. And also, if you want to know this step by step on how I've created this top, see the next video that I'm gonna be posting. That's where we will do a crochet along method. So let's start. For this particular project, I have used a yarn from this brand, okay, a white yarn from this brand, and also the graded 5 crochet. That one. So this is the back part of my crochet top. If you've noticed, this is a crisscross pattern, and this is the first thing that I'm gonna be changing in this crochet top, because since I'm wearing always undergarment, when I'm wearing this one, I want it a full back to cover the undergarment that I am wearing. The base of this top is this one, which is a straight panel of single crochet. So I have created a single crochet enough to cover my body. But as I've said previously, I want to change it into a full covered crochet top. So for you to be able to do that one, you have to create two panels of a single crochet top with this length. Get a shirt or a clothes that fits you perfectly. See this part? Okay, this connection and this connection on the other side. So your crochet top or your panel must have a length from this point up to this point. So create two crochet panel, rectangular panel that has this length. Okay, I mean this one, rectangular panel of that one of single crochet. Then you have this base already. Now, if you want to add this V-neck detail, get one of the panel and at least at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows before the top that you have, divide it by 2 and do a decreased double crochet on this part. Okay, and this is the second thing that I would like to change on this top, because I don't want this V-neck detail as it doesn't cover much of my body. So I will not be doing this one, but if you want to, you can still add this one. Now let's look at this part. So it's also one of the things that I'm still confused if I'm gonna keep this part or not, just like this V-neck, because when I try to wear this one, this part doesn't stay as is like that. It falls like this one when I'm wearing it. Yeah, but it's still cute. It's just that you will not see the detail. But if you want to keep it, I've added this one at the very end. So you can do this one at the start or at the very end. It's up to you. Try to see. So at the end of your panel, what you're going to do is chain 4, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and do a single crochet on the 3rd stitch. Okay, then do the same thing, chain 4, skip 2 stitches and do a single crochet. So chain 4, skip this one and this one, single crochet. Continue doing that one till you've reached the end. For the next row, that's what and for the succeeding row, that's what I also did. Okay, single crochet on this part, 4 chain stitch, single crochet on one loop. Okay, chain 4, single crochet on the next loop till you are satisfied with the length that you have. Is the bottom part. Okay, so this is our chain stitches, basic chain stitches that we have. Then we did the single crochet all over like that. So I went back at the bottom where we did the very start of the single chain stitch. Okay, attach the yarn at the end. Okay, did a single crochet at the very first chain stitch, then chain 1, then I skip a stitch, then single crochet, I double crochet on the next stitch. So I've chained 1 again over here and skip this stitch and did a double crochet on this one. So I did a chain 1 here, then this one, skip, then double crochet on this top up until you've reached the end. Then did at least 3 or 4 or 5 single crochet and did the very same thing that I did here on this part. Single crochet, chain 4, skip 2 stitches, single crochet on the 3rd stitch, chain 4, skip, this time I've skipped 3 stitches, single crochet on the next stitch. Oh, okay, at least I did this one twice. Then single crochet until you are satisfied with the height of your top. Okay, so if you have already noticed this one, it is an off shoulder sleeve, and I have used the same method as what Dana B have created in her off shoulder crochet top. But that's the thing that I will be changing next, because when I try to swim using this part or this off shoulder part, my arm movements is limited. That's why I'm gonna be changing it, and I think it will be now a sleeve like that, but I will still be keeping this pattern. Okay, so this is the look that I am aiming now. It will be now a spaghetti straps, not an off-shoulder sleeve. So to create this pattern, get a chain stitch enough for your shoulders from this part up to this part. Okay, then single crochet all the way back, then do the same detail at the bottom, single crochet. Okay, then chain 1, skip 1 stitch, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, single crochet on the next stitch, chain 1, skip this one, do a single crochet on this one. Okay, and do all the way up until the back, then do a single crochet way back here, then the loop pattern again, chaining 4, skip 2 or 3 stitches and single crochet on the 3rd or 4th stitches. Okay, chain 4, then single crochet on the 3rd or 4th stitch. So that's the detail for this top. Again, I'm gonna do the modification. I'll keep you posted and updated when I have bought at the same yarn that I have used this time. Okay, up until now I cannot do this anymore because I've run out of the yarn that I have used. But when I have already obtained a yarn, I'll be showing you how I've changed from this top up to the top that I wanted. Okay,